This event is the Elimination race. The track that you are seeing right now is going to be the race that they will be going on. The last place marble in every single round will be out of the game. Whoever is the last marble standing wins this event. Currently in the standings, Peppa Pig is in the lead. Avalanche Tugs shot up from winning the most recent event. Peter Griffin in second place, right in between. Without further ado, let's begin this event. Okay, this is also in reverse starting order. So the winning marble in Marbolympics is currently in last. It's looking to be Peter Griffin. No, Among Us now. It's Among Us and Peter Griffin fighting it out. Elmo now in last place. Fighting with Badlands Chugs. SpongeBob now slows down there. SpongeBob now actually in last place. Elmo went pretty quick. But no, SpongeBob catches up and Elmo is now eliminated from the race. Also, fastest time overall in this event will get an extra point after. Round 2 now. Badlands Chugs looking to be in last place. Slows down on that spinner. Not doing good for him. He's just slowing down now. This is not good for Badlands Chugs. Roblox Noob now also slowing down. It's going to be Badlands Chugs out of this race. Okay, 14 marbles remain. Here we go. Homer Simpson looking to be in last place. It's a pretty big one of that too. Among Us. Among Us is seeming to now be in last place, slowing down. Cookie. Cookie slows down on that spinner. It's currently not doing that good. Oh, it's Cookie. Cookie's out. Here we go. Next round. Peppa Pig looking to be in last place. Right now, it's slowing down on that spinner also. You don't want to slow down on that spinner because that is a beginning loss. Thing is, usually around now that last place is decided. We'll have to see. I slowed down. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig shoots out, gets 6th place. And I look to be out of the race. Here we go. Next round. SpongeBob looking to be in last place right now. Joe Biden now looking to be in last place. Don't know who's going to have it. SpongeBob slows down on that square. Now he is looking to be out of this. SpongeBob looking not to be doing that good. It's going to be pretty unanimously SpongeBob out of this event. Okay, 5 marbles have been eliminated. We currently have 11 remaining. Homer Simpson slows down on that triangle. He's now in a big last place now. Roblox Noob slows down. It's a big war out here. Mike Wazowski currently in last place. So would not be good for him. He's only in last place. Oh, everyone's slowing down. Roblox Noob is who looks to be in last place. Homer Simpson. It's Roblox Noob. Out. 11th place. 10 marbles remain now. Peter Griffin looking to be in last place. It's now Peppa Pig. Both of them shoot up into the lead. Or not the lead, but more ahead. Peter Griffin, Homer Simpson. Homer Simpson looking Homer Simpson speeds up a little bit. Don't know what's really going on. It's Scratch Cat. It's going to be Scratch Cat out of anyone out of this race. That was a bit crazy. 9 marbles remain. We're about halfway through this event. Currently, Peppa Pig. Currently looking to be in last place. If anything can happen, see Toad just slowed down. And is now currently in a pretty big last place. Toad now really slowing down. I don't think he's going to make it because Peppa Pig right there in that final stretch, and Peppa Pig made it. Toad is now out of here. Halfway through the event. 8 marbles remain in this event. Let's see. It's looking to be Peppa Pig, but again, Peppa Pig has made it out from last place multiple times already. Peter Griffin just really slowed down there on that nail. It's looking to be Hamlet now in last place. Among Us really slowed down there on the left, and now Among Us is in the last place. Among Us is out of the race. Not looking too good. See, the thing is, a lot of people who have not been doing great in the Marbolympics, like 4, are still in this event. But also, like, Peppa Pig is also still in the top 7. Homer Simpson looking to be in last place. Stuck on that nail for a sec. Homer Simpson still in a pretty big last place. Hamlet slows down a little bit. Mike Wazowski, nope, he shoots up ahead. That screw up on that nail really is going to make Homer Simpson out. 6 marbles remain. Also, Peter Griffin and Peppa Pig are still in this event, even though they've always been starting in the back. Bit crazy there. Peter Griffin really slows down there, like he is a lead back. I don't think he's really going to catch up at all. A big difference here. He's just slowing down and slowing down. Peter Griffin out of a race. Five people remain. Peppa Pig is actually still in this event, surprisingly. She might get a third bronze in a row. We don't know. It's looking to be Peppa Pig and Joe Biden fighting out. It's not getting eliminated. Peppa Pig shoots up a bit ahead. It's Peppa Pig versus Hamlet now. It's going to be close. Nope, it's Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig slows down and is out. Peppa Pig, I think, is still going to take the lead after this event. But we have 4 nobodies. 4 people have not been really cared about in the Marbolympics so far. All in the final 4. It's looking to be Poe in last place, and it's a pretty big margin. Poe now speeds up. It's Mike Wazowski in last place. Literally, Mike Wazowski is last in the standings in the Marbolympics. This event's going to shoot him up a lot. Mike Wazowski speeds through, and it's going to be Hamlet out of a race. Bit crazy. All these marbles are getting a medal. No matter what. Mike Wazowski, Poe, and Joe Biden. It's going to be Mike Wazowski out in the back. Mike Wazowski and Poe both kind of in a war for trying not to get last place. Joe Biden having a big lead just slowed up and is now out of this race. That's surprising, but he's still getting a bronze, so that is not bad. The finale, Mike Wazowski and Poe, 2 absolute nobodies in the Marbolympics, are both now fighting to win an event. Here we go. Poe taking a pretty decent lead. Mike Wazowski just slowing down. Poe is a landslide ahead of him. It's no competition. I think Poe has already won this event, and we're only like halfway through the race. Poe is guaranteed the win. You can barely even see him. Mike Wazowski is just taking his sweet time. At least he got a silver, so that's not bad. But dang. And Poe, Mike Wazowski, and Joe Biden end up on the podium for this event. Let's see about the standings. Poe shoots up a crap ton of spots. Peppa Pig still is taking the lead. Peter Griffin's still in second place, too. You also can see everything on here. Cookie actually dropped down 6 spots. That's surprising. See you in the next one. Bye.